This topic helps you to value various stocks कि कौन से stocks undervalued हैं, which stocks are overvalued, because undervalued stocks you will buy, overvalued stocks you will sell. But how will you know? Let me explain to you that the beauty of CFA is that every topic in this curriculum is a profile in itself. Let me explain. There is one topic यार which is called quantitative methods. आप ये मार्केट में देखते हो ना, जो एग्जिट पोल्स आते हैं और ये सारी एनालिसिस आती है कि जो पार्टीज हैं कैसा करेंगी कैसे नहीं करेंगी एटसेट्रा. ऑल दिस at the back end there is some analyst who is doing some work on the statistics side of things, that he's collating all the data and forecasting that what would be the percentage, vote percentage of a company, of a party, and what would be their success rate in certain constituencies etc. This is called statistical analysis. जो प्रोफाइल मार्केट में होती है, that is called quant analyst. So there is one topic called quantitative methods, and the adjoining or the corresponding profile in the market is called quant analyst. So you can become a quant analyst if you have gone through CFA and if you are forming a very good interest in quantitative methods, which is one of the topics in CFA. Similarly, there is a topic called economics, which teaches you macroeconomics and microeconomics. Macroeconomics talks about all the policy related things related to overall economy. Microeconomy talks about individuals, of how buying behavior of individuals change. There are a lot of profiles both within the government of India and in the private domain, which is called economist. The work of economist is कि वो यार देखता है कि कंट्री लेवल पे आगे कैसी ग्रोथ होने वाली है, क्या जीडीपी का फोरकास्ट होने वाला है, मॉनेटरी और फिजिकल पॉलिसीज क्या होने वाली है, एंड बेसिस दैट हाउ वुड द पर्टिकुलर कंपनीज or economy or the market is going to perform, or basis that they take certain decisions or give their inputs to other stakeholders in the company and outside, and these are called economists. So this is also one of the roles which can open up for. Then there is a topic here, and I am trying to relate here topic by topic the corresponding job profiles, so that you know, Dheeraj, that the beauty of CFA is it opens up every dimension of finance which is there for you. You then take a call of which dimension or which profile do you want to make your career in. And that is also one very critical reason why CFA is so well regarded in for financial aspirants, because एक बार आप जब यार ये एग्जाम लिखते हो तो the knowledge which you gain can transcend into you building your career in various profiles which you can choose in future. Third topic yaar is corporate finance, which is effectively people who are in the corporate finance domain. They are the ones यार who are taking calls for the company of how to manage their working capital. क्योंकि क्या होता है यार, कंपनीज के अंदर you basically take raw materials from your vendors or suppliers, convert that raw materials into finished goods, then do the sales of that, and then after making the sales, after a certain duration, you get the money, because in the market you are supposed to give a certain amount of credit days to the distributors, to the wholesalers, to the retailers. So hence, managing this entire working capital, of how do you manage this working capital, is done by people who are in the corporate finance domain. So this is also one of the profiles in the market. Similarly, people who are in the corporate finance are also responsible for deciding which projects शुड द कंपनी परसू. क्योंकि यार कंपनी के पास वेल्थ तो फाइनाइट ही है, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि उनके पास बहुत सारा पैसा हो, कुछ पैसा है. अब वो यार एक प्लांट लगाने में करें, या कुछ और जो उनका बिजनेस लाइन है उसको एक्सपैंड करने में करें, या कुछ और चीज़ें, कुछ और उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग कुछ मशीनरी हैं उनको अपडेट और अपग्रेड करने में लगाएं, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. दीज आर ऑल्सो द डिसीजंस. और बहुत सारे ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स होते हैं लाइक एनपीवी, आईआरआर, पे बैक पीरियड एटसेट्रा, जिसको वो एनालाइज करके ये डिसीजंस लेते हैं कंपनी के अंदर, राइट. जैसे अभी रिसेंट में यार आपको एक न्यूज़ आया होगा that Adani, which is one of the premier companies in the country, it is a big conglomerate, is planning to invest 1,25,000 crore rupees, right, in the next 5-10 years in India. So यहाँ पर जो कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस वाले लोग होंगे उस कंपनी के अंदर, दे वुड डिसाइड कि हाँ यार कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स करने चाहिए, क्यों करने चाहिए, और उससे कितना फायदा होगा कंपनी को आगे जाके, क्योंकि ये सब कैपेक्स हाई कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स है. तो ये होती है थर्ड प्रोफाइल, विच इज कॉल्ड प्रोफाइल इन द कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस डोमेन, राइट. Then यार you have a topic which is called portfolio management. यहाँ पर definitely यार जो आपने अभी बताया धीरज, that you take up money from your clients and investors and manage their money and grow their money. This is what is done by the profile, people who are in the profile, which is called portfolio manager. So portfolio management जो topic है वो effectively आपको portfolio manager बनने में मदद करता है कि आप अपने clients का, investor का पैसा लेते हैं और उसको grow करने में help करते हैं. So this is one of the profile, not the only profile. Then yaar there is a topic, right? Then there is a topic yaar which is called financial statement and analysis. In financial statement and analysis yaar you get to learn कि companies when they make their balance sheet, profit and loss statement, कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट एटसेट्रा, वो धंधे को जब प्रेजेंट करते हैं एक टैबुलर फॉर्मेट में, तो वो कैसे रीड करना है, कैसे बनाना है, उसके कैसे नुआंसेस को जानना है. एंड once you have these nuances in picture, then after gaining this knowledge, you can become a very good investment banker, because investment bankers, they look at the financial statements of the company, of the competitive company, etc, and they take calls कि यार किस कंपनी को क्या करना चाहिए आगे, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, किस टाइप की कंपनीज को अक्वायर करना चाहिए, कौन से डिविजन्स को सेल करना चाहिए, etc. So investment banking is one critical profile where a very high amount of knowledge of financial statement and analysis, financial ratios, etc. is required, which is taught to you in this fifth topic, which is called FSA, financial statement and analysis. Then there is a topic here called equity investment. Again, this topic helps you to value various stocks कि कौन से stocks undervalued हैं, which stocks are overvalued, because undervalued stocks you will buy, overvalued stocks you will sell, but how will you know which stocks are undervalued and which stocks are overvalued? So this topic, equity investment, teaches you that, and you become an equity analyst. There is a profile called equity analyst. The equity analysts, for their clients and for their companies for which they are working, they do this equity analysis report, right, to advise their clients and their companies to purchase or sell certain set of stocks. And this knowledge is gained through the sixth topic called equity investments. Then there is a topic which is called fixed income. Fixed income क्या होता है? That when the companies go in the market and they raise debt मतलब होता है loan. So they release, either they go to the bank and take loan, or they go to the market and they sell a certain financial instrument. Just like a stock, they can sell a financial instrument which is called bond. So ये जो सेवेंथ टॉपिक है फिक्स्ड इनकम का, ये आपको पूरा जो ज्ञान है फिक्स्ड इनकम का वो समझाता है. सो दिस इज अगेन अ वेरी वेरी पावरफुल टॉपिक, एंड यू कैन गेट इनटू दिस domain which is called fixed income, right, where you can become a bond trader or a bond manager, right? So very very helpful and powerful profile. Similarly there is a topic which is called derivatives. So what happens is, lot of times companies to hedge their risk, ऐसा सोचो अगर आप एक्सपोर्टर हो तो आप अपना सामान बाहर एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हो, you will be paid in dollars, but you are working in India. So hence what happens is, you definitely don't make the money you will get will depend on what is the exchange rate at that point in time. Say for example, right now the exchange rate is, for every $1 you get 83-84 rupees. What if tomorrow when the payment is made to you, $1 is 80 rupees? So then in that case you will lose certain amount of money. तो ये risk को hedge कैसे करना है, that is done through various financial products which is called derivatives. और ये पूरा जो ज्ञान है आपको इस derivatives के टॉपिक में मिलता है, and that is what is taught to you. And once you have this derivatives का ज्ञान, then there is a profile in the market which is called FNO, future and option trader. So you can become this trader in the market after gaining this wisdom. Similarly there is a topic which is called alternative investments. What is alternative investments? Alternative investment teaches you hedge fund management, right? Venture capital management. So startups में आप सुनते होंगे कि बहुत सारे लोग पैसा लगा रहे हैं, बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टर्स. वो कौन लोग हैं? तो उनके पीछे हितेश, सुदर्शन, राइट, आप जैसे लोग ही जो है पीछे बैठे हैं एज एनालिस्ट, जो एनालाइज कर रहे हैं इन स्टार्टअप्स को. ये एनालाइज कैसे करते हैं, इसमें क्या टूल्स यूज होते हैं, क्या कॉन्सेप्ट यूज होते हैं, ये आपको पढ़ाया जाता है ऑल्टरनेटिव इन्वेस्टमेंट टॉपिक में. और फिर एक ओवरऑल टॉपिक होता है जिसको बोलते हैं एथिक्स एंड प्रोफेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स. वो आपको बताता है कि जब आप एक ऐसे CFA के या फाइनेंस डोमेन में आप काम करते हैं तो आपको किन चीज़ों को, विच थिंग्स यू हैव टू कीप नोट ऑफ, so that tomorrow when you are faced with an ambiguous situation, right? Say for example you get to know कि okay, your company is going to do very well in this quarter, and then you realize कि अरे यार, I have this information, why should I not buy this stock, because currently the stock market doesn't know about it. I can buy this stock and tomorrow when my company publishes a solid performance this quarter, the stock can go up and I can gain lot of wealth. But वो क्या करना जायज़ है? Is it okay, not okay? This professional standards and ethical standards are taught to you through this topic number 10, which is called ethics and professional standards. So आप देख पा रहे हो everyone, and this is the question from Dheeraj, but you could have clearly seen that there are 10 different topics in CFA, and every topic, my dear friends, has a clear correlation with a adjoining or corresponding profile in the financial domain. And that is why all of you should get lot of comfort that CFA is not just a better version of CA, or it is not just a degree which will help you flourish or become a good equity trader, but it opens up all these profiles for you. And tomorrow you, basis your interest, can pick up any of these profiles. And this to me is a superpower number 2. of CFA. Superpower number one is what? That it is a global degree, and hence here, by virtue of its global nature, all the countries outside India also open up for you because of its global brand. This degree is very well recognized in US, Australia, New Zealand, UK, Europe, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, China, etc. So opportunities in all these countries open up for you. So this is superpower number one of CFA. And superpower number two, yaar, that because CFA is a generalist degree. Generalist degree क्या होती है यार? Degrees which teaches you A to Z of finance. It is not just focused on one specialist profile. It teaches you A to Z of finance, like the 10 topics which I narrated to you. And hence you can then pick up which profile you want to get into. And hence, yeah, that is superpower number two, because when so many options are available to you, automatically, yeah, your ability to do well, your ability to generate higher alpha or higher leverage in your career progression increases manifold. Okay? Friends, if you have reached this far, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you liked this session, right? And I'm sure it would have given you a lot of insights of how CFA can help you flourish in your career. Please share this and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any updates. Thank you again so much for attending this entire session. Bye bye. Thank you.